Are you throwing your apple peels away? Stop! Those apple peels are packed with nutrients. Your hair will love it. Today, I'm showing you how I made a powerful DIY leave-in spray using apple peels and cloves. This simple spray will help to nourish your scalp, reduce breaking and strengthen your hair, and support healthy looking growing hair. If you want soft, shining and strong hair naturally, stay with me because you will not want to miss this recipe. My queens, I will definitely going to tell you each ingredient benefit. My queens, I'll tell you guys each ingredient benefit. So stay tuned because and also how to apply it to your hair. I will definitely going to use it for my daughter. Right now, I put 1 tablespoon of cloves inside. Cloves is rich in antioxidant. It helps scalp healthy. It's also improving scalp circulation. Clove, it helps to reduce the appearance of dandruff. It's also making hair to get more stronger. So after clove, the next ingredient I'm putting inside is my apple peels. Apple peels, my people. Please, if you have been throwing your apple peels away, stop throwing it away because it's having the natural nutrients and that nutrients that your hair is going to love it. So let's talk about our apple peel. So my queens, now after I add my apple peel, the next thing that I'm adding is my hot water. You can also do it late double boil method, or you can also just put it in the fire for 10 minutes or 15 minutes and remove it. But I decided to infuse it for 12 hours. Yours too, you can do the hot water and pour it inside this way and infuse it for 12 hours or 24 hours. Or you also can infuse it for 6 hours. Is up to the hours or the minutes that you want it to stay. So right now, while I'm infusing it, I will take you guys for us to check and see the benefit of apple peel for using it for your hair. Apple peel is rich in antioxidant. It also contains vitamin C. It helps to protect hair from environmentally damaging. It's also supporting healthy scalp. It's adding shining to your hair. It's also making your hair to get more stronger while you are using it, and your hair is going to get more softer also again. This spray, I'm not using it for only leave-in spray. I also using it if I make protectable stuff for my daughter or I myself. I always use it to open my hair because it's making my hair very soft and easier when I'm opening it, instead of me to do the pre-pull. I'm not doing any pre-pull again. I'm just using this to open it. From there, I added my oil and other things, and go and wash my hair. So stay tuned. I will show you guys exactly how I'm using it. Now let's strain it. So my queens, now after I strain it, the first ingredient that I'm going to add is my honey. Honey is having natural humectant that attracting moisture and making your hair soft, softness, especially if you have dry hair. It also helps to reduce freezing. It's adding shining. It helps to keep hair moisturizer. So honey is very, very good while you are using it. And if you guys can notice, all my treatments I always use honey inside. Guys, there is one thing that I'm going to add for you guys. Even not only the apple seed also, or apple peels, you can also use banana. Maybe if you eat banana and remain the peel of the banana, you also can use it and add something else to change it. Now when I strain it, I take a little bit part of it because I love to drink it also after infusing clove and apple water. I love drinking it, so when I do it I always take some small amount for drink. So now our next ingredient I'm going to add some few drop of peppermint essential oil. Well, you can add any essential oil of your choice if you have it. If you don't have essential oil, that part also you can skip that part. So my queens, now I'm adding onion oil. This type of oils or these things adding inside, maybe someone can ask, is it important to add? Actually, it's not important. At the same time it's important, because if you want to grow your hair, there are some things that you don't need to miss some parties, because all is having nutrients. What onion do when you add, and garlic oil, onion oil and garlic oil, what it's doing. Please, you also can do research about the ingredients that I'm adding into my spray so that you can see what I'm talking about. My queens, let's talk about peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is also helping to refresh the scalp and also improving scalp circulation. It helps to reduce scalp irritation. It's also leaving the smelling freshness into your hair. It's very, very good. So now after I'm pouring it inside my spray bottle, I'm going to use it to apply to my daughter. So stay tuned with me, guys. So after that, you remember I added my onion oil and garlic oil. Onion oil is also helping to support your hair roof. It's supporting healthy looking hair growing. It's also helping to reduce hair breaking and improving scalp nourishment. Is adding stronger to your hair and growing your hair healthier while you are using. Onion is always having sulfur, right? So do your research also about onion. And the onion is part of things that you can see, all the natural things. My videos, even if you may notice that I have onion for all my treatment, from leave-in spray, my hair mask, I use onion a lot. So my people, now this is the spray that we have. Before you apply this, always make sure to shake it, put it inside your refrigerator, leave it for at least, let it stay for 4 to 5 days. After 4 to 5 days, if you notice that the thing is spoiled, you can throw away. But this type of spray bottle, I love it because anytime when my leave-in spray spoil, even it's giving me it's notifying me, because like I may notice that the thing is started linking. The bottle even is going to be like they put air inside. That time you will notice that, oh, your thing is not more good again, so you need to throw it away. So these are the things that I added inside. So peppermint essential oil, garlic oil and onion oil. So this oil, if you have it, plus honey, if you have, you put inside. If you don't have, I'm showing the banana to you guys, because if you also want to apply, if you want, you can use banana also to do it. So now you can see my daughter is having African tray on her hair, so I'm going to use it to, after that one I'm using, and that one also I used to open my daughter hair. It's very, very good because it's giving more softness and shining and easier for me to manage my daughter hair. So garlic also is rich in sulfur, right? It's also having several compounds. It also helps to strengthen weak hair and supporting scalp healthy. It helps to reduce hair breaking. It's nourishing hair follicles. So garlic and onion are very, very powerful. It's very, very good. So why I'm using all this, and when I'm doing like this, I need more benefit. So if I need benefit, I added some those type of things also inside. You can, if you have it, you add inside. If you don't have, no problem, you can just add your honey inside and get maybe vitamin E oil capsule one. Also you can get it any pharmacy and add inside, so that it's going to help you. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you love what I'm doing, please give me thumbs up and also share it with your loved ones, so that we all grow our children hair and grow our hair together. So now we finished doing my daughter hair. You spray inside. After spraying, you use leave-in conditioner and leave use oil also to seal the moisture inside. That's the very important. So Princess is saying bye bye to you guys. We're giving you guys peace. We love you all. So always be careful while you are using. Don't overuse it. Okay.